Welcome to Invoice Webmaster. If you are a new client or existing client or you contact us to work for you, first I will be sending you a link to purchase your hosting. The hosting is the platform where you're gonna be host your website. First, when I send you that link, you click on it. Either you choose the $6.99 if you need only one website, or you choose the $9.99 if you want to have multiple websites. But the difference is the one website, you see what it already give you. It's only one website, 10 gig space, and then $10,000, 10,000 visitor a month. But the other one, they give you like, the $9, they give you unlimited. But some people will want to buy hosting to resell, or if they want to, they can choose the 14.99. So the difference is if you pay for the full year, it's gonna be 6.99. But if you choose to pay monthly, it's gonna be 14.99. The same as this one. If you want to pay for the full year, it's going to be $9.99. But if you choose to pay monthly, it's going to be $24.99. So let's go with the startup plan, the $6.99. First, you're going to click on Get Plan. If you already have a domain name, if you don't have a domain name, that's the first time you're creating a website, you're gonna click on Register a New Domain. Okay, but if you already have a website that you want to transfer over, you're going to transfer the hosting over to SiteGround, you're going to click on I already have a domain. But now we're going to work with the Register a New Domain. So I'm just going to type a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Okay, so we're going to check to see if it's available. If the domain name, the name you choose is available, they're gonna say congratulations and redirect you to the page where you're gonna have to pay. But if it's not available, they're not gonna give you that option. Oh, I had somebody in here. Oh, I created the dummy one. So okay. So first, when you get to this one, what you're gonna do? I create a dummy so I can show it to you. First, you're gonna enter your email address. If I always advise people to create an email address with the name of your business, which is gonna make it easy for you to receive all your email in one spot. So first, you're gonna enter your email address. You're gonna create a password, and you're gonna confirm that password. And you're going down, you're gonna put whatever country you in, the name, it can be like, I just create this dummy thing. It can be Mary Johnson, whatever. And then you enter your address. Always advise to enter your correct address, because this is not gonna be visible for other people to see. It's only for that company and you. So I advise you to enter your correct address, the one who match with your credit card. Okay, let's keep going. Now you're gonna enter your credit card information. After enter your credit card information, which is, if you're doing it on a cell phone, sometimes it's hard to read, but you will follow the step and you got it anyway. All right. This is why I create this video. I make this video to show you guys. When you do the $6.99, it's gonna show you $83. And remember, for me, in order for me to keep your username and password, it's only if I'm managing your website. If you don't have anybody who's gonna manage your website, I advise you guys to click on the domain privacy and SG site scanner. The reason I want you guys to do that, read this one. The SG site scanner is monitoring service that check your website daily and immediately notify you if your website has been hacked or infected with malicious code. So guys, I'm begging you guys, get it, because when you don't do that, if anything happened to your website, you're gonna call me. I cannot help you. Reason being, if somebody put virus and anything on your website, it can be from a client computer to yours or some hacker or whatever. I cannot help you, because the only way I will be able to help you, if I'm gonna have to charge you, and which is gonna be like probably $600-700 for me to clean up that website. If you don't have the site scanner. Okay, so I advise you guys, even you see $83, you say, oh, it's cheap. But if you don't put those two, there will be a problem. Because if anything, any problem happen to your website, you're not gonna say the person who did your website is their fault. No, because you did not buy extra security for your website. This is an extra security for your website. You need to buy it. You need to get it. But if you don't have it and I'm the one who's managing your website, my job will be to back up the website and do that for you and clean it. But if you not paying me to a monthly, which is a $97 a month for me to back up your website, for me to update your website, for me to do a bunch of stuff on your website, I'm not gonna be able to do it for you. And that's the reason when I send people to this, when you go to my website, just give me a quick second, and my services. Oh, my website need to change. I need a makeover. I need a makeover. Let's see. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, the $97 that I'm talking about. So now it's not even 97, it's 150. What I do with the 150, it's like a complete back up your website 3 times a month. I back up your website and I check the WordPress for you. I check term and the plugin and everything to see if they need to be updated. And I scan your website for you. Okay, and then I give you 30 minutes a tech fix per month, which is if you got something we need to be fixed, a plugin need to be changed and stuff like that, I will do that. So that include on the 150 a month. Okay, so if you don't pay me that, I'm done with the website. I don't keep people password. I don't keep people information. I just return the website to you and I'm done. So I'm not gonna make this video quick. So that's why I wanted to make this video to let you know that you guys need to have those two. So for now, and anybody who contact me, I will send you the video with the link so you can follow step by step, and I will send you a screenshot also with the step by step that you need to follow. And I'm gonna after you done all this, you click confirm. If you don't want, you don't have to do that because they're gonna be sending you offer by email, and some people don't like receiving email anyway. You don't have to do that, and then you can keep going and press pay now. After you pay, you will receive 3 emails. The first one will be a receipt. The second one will be I don't know, Apple, whatever. The second one will be like, to let you know about what the name of your website, whatever, whatever. So the third one is like for you to confirm your identity, which is you're gonna click on the link and then redirect you to SiteGround, and that's when you identify yourself. And thank you guys for watching this video, and welcome to Invoice Webmaster. I'll talk to you guys later.